Okay, so we're using a browser tool to just search TikTok. You can see this is not heavy AI. It's not heavy AI, dude. It's not. Extract all visible videos, but the only reason this is doable is because of OpenClaw, able to be AI to control your computer, right? So I think it's pretty fire. I think this is a pretty fire tool that I'm just dropping for free here. So much love to you. Just throw a 777 in the chat when you see me, dude. You can see the keywords here rotating. So you can take this to a whole nother level. I have a list of 30 more keywords. Come on. Let's get it. These might not even be good keywords. Let's get it. You can do this, dude. You can do anything that they can do, but you can do it better. Anything that I can do, you can do it way better. Ticker guessing symbols or guessing rules. When you see a brand match to the public company. So giving an example here, high confidence, medium confidence based off of, okay, they see Adidas, it might be that. They see Nike or Jordan, it might be Nike. Starbucks, it might be Starbucks, S-Bucks. File structure here, you can see that. And then here's the experiment system. Always log active experiments, CSV. So I go ahead and just run different experiments. I've only run 2, to be honest. I showed you the first one, and then I did a second one. And I just like to test the experiments to see what gets the best alpha. Again, this is version 0, version 1, whatever you want to call it. CSV schema here. So I'm tracking all of this stuff here in order to get the ticker guess, because the ticker guess will power this. All of this CSV tracking is powering that. So, and then example scan output, this is what we're going to see. It scans and outputs it every few minutes here onto OpenClaw. So she's probably outputted something here. Oh, she's having some problem with the Twitter part, but I think the real alpha here is the TikTok part, and that's what we came for. I can fix that here in a second. So tips, always filter by this week. So this is a key. I like new videos, but that could be wrong. You know, go deep, 200 videos per scan. Why this week filter matters. Videos from months ago still appear in search. They're old. They went viral a long time ago. Okay, let's see if there's any other files I want to show you here. Code overview for the social arb, the stack here. You can see JSON. We use the server.js. We add all the data to this data folder here. The dashboard UI. The dashboard UI is under dashboard.index.html. I'll go ahead and try to find that, but I didn't see it actually. So vanilla JavaScript here, no frameworks. Server API, server.js. I'll show you that in a second. How it works, it goes on port 3456. You can change that to whatever that you want. Then the Twitter scanner, I'm not even going to go over that because this is just too much code here. And I've shown you enough. I think you get the point. Use Claude to build this, dude. Use Claude, OpenClaw. Don't use any other AI. Dude, we're not open AI guys anymore. We're not. I used to be, but not anymore. So it's Claude. Okay, so here's the server.js, just so you can see it really quickly. A lot of code here that might be useful for speeding up your thing, but also it was written by AI. So I think the important part that I showed you today were the keywords and the setup of how this works. You can see it's very low code. So this is the Twitter alpha scanner.js as well. Very low code. And I want to find the dashboard for you if I can, but if I can't, I'm sure you can build your own dashboard, because at the end of the day, that dashboard is based off of all of the other stuff I showed you, how it saves the cron job to the CSV. And if this stuff just doesn't make sense to you, then you're cooked. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm kidding, dude. I'm kidding. You're not cooked. I didn't learn how to code till I was 30 either. You're cooked if you're like 22 thinking you're too late. That's when you're cooked. And I know one of you is 22 thinking you're too late. So you could build anything, dude. Let's go ahead and see if I can find this dashboard board for you. But if I can't, then it's all good. You can find it, dude. You can build it. Much love to you.